The legal issues faced by Binance in the United States primarily stem from regulatory concerns and alleged violations of various laws. Some of the key issues include: lack of proper registration. Binance has been accused of operating in the US without registering as a money services business or obtaining the necessary licenses from federal and state regulators. This has led to scrutiny from the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, and other regulatory bodies. Securities law violations. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has expressed concern that Binance may have listed and traded tokens considered as securities without obtaining the necessary permissions or complying with securities laws. This could potentially lead to enforcement actions or fines. Anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) compliance. Binance has faced allegations of lax AML and KYC procedures, which could expose the platform to the risk of being used for money laundering or other illicit activities. Regulators have been investigating the exchange to ensure compliance with these rules. Derivatives trading. Binance has offered derivatives trading to U.S. customers without registering with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC), which could lead to penalties or other enforcement actions. Investigations by authorities. Binance has been the subject of investigations by multiple regulatory bodies in the U.S., including the Department of Justice (DOJ) and the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). These investigations aim to assess the exchange's compliance with various regulations and could potentially result in fines or other penalties. To address these issues, Binance has taken steps such as creating Binance.US, a separate entity designed to comply with U.S. regulations. However, the legal challenges and investigations are ongoing, and it remains to be seen how they will ultimately be resolved. It is possible that Binance could face significant challenges or even closure due to its legal issues with the United States. However, predicting the exact outcome of these legal matters is difficult, as it depends on several factors, such as the outcomes of ongoing investigations, potential fines or penalties, and the company's ability to address the regulatory concerns. It is important to note that Binance has taken steps to address these issues, such as establishing Binance.US, a separate entity designed to comply with U.S. regulations. This move may help to insulate the global Binance platform from potential negative consequences stemming from its U.S. operations. Nevertheless, the ongoing legal challenges and investigations pose a risk to Binance operations, and any negative outcomes could have a significant impact on the company's reputation, user base, and financial stability. It is essential for Binance to continue working towards regulatory compliance and maintaining open communication with authorities to mitigate these risks and ensure its long-term viability.